Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys, earlier this quarantine, I bought a bunch of packs off of eBay, and today I'm going to be showing you the highlights of what I got. This is going to be a pretty short video because there's only, 6 cards, but let's get right into it. So, we'll start off with, I actually pulled this out of the opening day retail box, a Wally the Green Monster relic. It's actually kind of cool, but I would have rather a player, or a good player, but it is what it is. Then we got one Boba base rookie from Normal Tops, Top Series 1. And we've got another base rookie from Series 1 Tops. And then a 35th anniversary Boba rookie. Gavin Lux Turkey Red rookie. That's pretty cool. Oops, just dropped that. Alright, and then last but not least, Gary Sanchez short print from Series 1. Pretty cool card. I like that one. Gary's a good player. Gary Sanchez is a good player. And then in the background, I did not pull these from the packs that I bought, but I got these from one of my card shops. Tyler Glasnow prospect autograph from Bowman Inception, and then a Vlad Jr. auto relic from 19 Diamond Kings. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.